Students, now let's go to number 4. Look and find. Well, people, here in Brazil, it's impossible to find ice sculptures. Ice sculptures can only be found in special exhibitions such as Minimum Monument, Monumento Mínimo, in the city of São Paulo. Então, esculturas em gelo nós não encontraremos no Brasil, porque não é um país com clima típico para isso. Porém, há um monumento mínimo na cidade de São Paulo que pode ser encontrado nessas exibições, exposição, aliás, exibição não, nessa exposição, tá? Bom, next, I will ask you, have you ever seen sculptures which tools do you think are necessary to make them? Vocês já viram escultura em gelo? E quais são os materiais necessários para fazer essas esculturas? Well, here you can see two of these objects, a chainsaw and a chisel. They are used to carve, sculpt, cut, or engrave details in hard surfaces, such as block of ice. Então, esses aqui são das duas ferramentas que são usados para esculpir, cortar e até mesmo fazer todas as artes no gelo, ok? So, chainsaw, chisel. Now, students, I want you to go back to page 34 and 35 and find the chainsaw and the chisel in the picture. Quero que vocês voltem na página 34 e 35 e encontrem para mim a chainsaw e a chisel. Vocês podem circular, marcar um xizinho, circular com lápis de cor diferente ou de canetinha, ficam à vontade, ok? Na página 34 e 35. Find for me the chainsaw and the chisel, ok? Next class we correct. Then I want you to pay attention here. Are there ice cities? This question, it will be answered on page 39. Quando nós chegarmos na page 39, we will see if there are or no ice cities. I want you actually to pay attention to this, to the real-time view code. If possible, access these students. It presents an image gallery, the different uses and functions of ice. Quem puder acessar, aqui traz uma galeria de imagem que apresenta diferentes usos e funções do gelo, ok? If possible, lembre que é um QR Code, e o QR Code pela câmera do celular vocês conseguem acessar. Alright? Good job, students. Please, mom and dad, if possible, help them. And don't forget, find on page 34 and 35 a chainsaw and a chisel, okay? Let's go to the next page, page 37. Here we are, people. Listen and say. Listen.
Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Okay, students, now I want you to repeat after me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay? Pay attention to these endings. T, 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 T. Be careful. This is not 5T. This is 50. Okay? Now answer me. What number is this, students? And what number is this? What number is this? Okay. Teacher, how do you say 53 in English? 53. And how do you say 37 in English? 37. And so on. Okay, guys? Now, let's go to exercise number 6. Exercise number 6. Listen and circle. Okay, guys, let's go. Listen and circle.
Track 13. 1. 13. 2.
40,
3.
15,
4.
60,
5. 44. 6.
52.
Listen once more, students.
Track 13. 1. 13. 2.
40,
3.
15,
4.
60,
5. 44. 6.
52.
Ok, students. Antes da gente fazer o exercício 7, gostaria que vocês fechassem o livro e prestassem atenção aqui nesse momento, ok? Alright, look. I'm 42 years old. A teacher em segredo está contando, revelando a idade para vocês. I'm 42 years old. And you, student? How old are you? Agora eu quero saber a idade de vocês. How old are you? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 40. How old are you, students? Now, answer me. Teacher, how do you answer? I answer, I'm tanana, years old. Okay? So, how old are you? I'm pode ser em número mesmo, não precisa escrever. Years old. I'm 42 years old. Look here. I'm 42 years old. And you? Quando você quer saber a idade de alguém, como que você faz a pergunta? How old are you? How old are you? A pessoa vai te responder. I'm tananã, years old. Aqui o espaço para a idade. No exercise 7, é exatamente isso que vocês vão responder. Usando o número, vão escrever por extenso, ok? So, how old are you? Mas aí eu quero mudar, por exemplo, a pergunta. Eu quero perguntar a idade dela. How old is she? Correct? How old is she? E agora eu vou responder usando I'm? No, students. Now, I answer, look here. I answer, saying, she's, tananã, years old. Por que she? É ela. Eu quero saber a idade da menina lá, daquela menina, né, que você tá afim. E do menino, se você tiver afim. Let's change. How old is he? Simples. His. Então, para ela, she. Answer, she. E ele, a idade dele? I say, he. Ok, guys? How old is he? He's, imaginamos que ele tem 12 anos. He's 12 years old. E se fosse ela? How old is she? Só mudo. She's, imagina que ela seja mais nova um pouquinho, 11 anos. She's 11 years old. Ok? Alright, students? Now let's go back to page 37 and do the exercise 7. Voltamos para a página 37 e vamos fazer o exercício 7. Let's go there. So, here it is. Write the numbers. Write. Por extenso, ok, guys? How old is he? He's years old. How old is she? She's years old. All right? Now, students, go to the next page, please. Just a moment. All right, guys. Page 38, exercise 8. Listen and say, then practice. Look down here first. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy, hot, warm, cold. Again, sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy, hot, warm, cold. Okay, guys, now listen and say.
Track 14.
What's the weather like in the summer? It's rainy and warm. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and cold.
Okay, students, now pay attention. You are talking about the weather in the summer. Remember, summer is sunny. Summer is warm. Summer is rainy. Okay? But what's the weather like in the winter? In the winter is cloudy and cold. Se você está nos Estados Unidos, pode ser snowy and cold. But let's talk about Cuiabá today. What's the weather like in Cuiabá today? It's sunny and hot. Mas pode ser que na hora que você está assistindo essa aula esteja outro tipo de clima. Pergunta aí para o papai e para a mamãe. What's the weather like today, Mom? Faz eles responderem usando isso aqui, ó. Ok? Alright? Practice a lot. Let's go to the next exercise. The exercise 9, people, is exactly this. You will listen to different people talking about the weather or situations. Observe the icons. Check the one that represent what they hear, ok? Então, vocês vão agora ouvir diferentes pessoas falando sobre o clima e situações relacionadas a ele. Observe os ícones e vão marcar o que melhor representa o que vocês ouvirem, ok? Let's go there, so listen and check.
Track 15. 1. What's the weather like today?
It's a bit cloudy, but it's not rainy.
2.
Mom, what's the weather like today?
It's very cold and snowy. Put on your coat.
3.
Come on, let's go to the beach. It's so sunny and hot today.
4.
Oh no, my cap, my cap.
5. And today it's rainy in Edinburgh. Very rainy indeed.
Okay, guys, listen once more.
Track 15. 1. What's the weather like today?
It's a bit cloudy, but it's not rainy.
2.
Mom, what's the weather like today?
It's very cold and snowy. Put on your coat.
3.
Come on, let's go to the beach. It's so sunny and hot today.
4.
Oh no, my cap, my cap.
5. And today it's rainy in Edinburgh. Very rainy indeed.
Okay, students, next class we continue the exercises, okay? Dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have a nice weekend, enjoy yourselves, and see you next class. Stay with God and have a nice weekend, okay? Bye-bye, see you soon.